Hi everyone, here is your explanation for the perception of Queen Elizabeth II assignment. So Queen Elizabeth was a British monarch who reigned for 70 years, overseeing 54 countries in the Commonwealth. Her death on September 8th marked not only the end of the longest reigning monarch in British history, but how her death was perceived very differently among her constituents. Earlier this week, you learned about this monarch and the reality of her life. Now it's time to learn about how she was perceived. In this final assignment, you will explore the death of Queen Elizabeth. You will discover how those in Britain perceived her death and how those in the former colonies perceived her death. Then you will connect these ideas to the world around you. Now, you will have to use citations in this assignment. If you need help with the citations, you are more than welcome to use ezbib.com as a resource. So for tasks 1 and 2, you will be required to write a summary paragraph. A summary paragraph does not have quotes. It is all your own words. So if you need an example of what this looks like, you may go to this page and look at a sample paragraph and what to avoid and what you should include within a written summary. So for the first task, you're going to find an article that discusses how Britain received the news. In task 2, you will discuss how the colonies received the news. For task 3, we're really going to get analytical here. So you're going to consider the different perspectives of how these two populations handled the news of her passing. In a one-paragraph response, what does this tell you about perception versus reality? Cite evidence from your two sources to support your response. So, your paragraph must contain the following color coding. You must color code in your body paragraphs. So you need to make sure your lead-in should be blue, your quotes should be red, your citation should be green, and your explanations should be purple, and transitional words, phrases, and sentences should be brown. If you submit this assignment without the color coding, you're going to be given an automatic 0, and you will be given that 0 until you complete the color coding. So please make sure that you follow those directions. Task 4, think back to the first week of the unit. We learned about the danger of the single story. Now, think about how leadership in our country is conveyed through the media. How is the perception of an individual impacted by the information and experiences we are given? Hint. How does one news source report about a leader versus another news source? What is the danger in that? What can you do with this information moving forward? Before you submit your work, ask yourself, is your assignment free of spelling errors? Is it free of grammatical errors? Did you write in complete sentences? Have you answered all of the questions and all parts of the questions? Did you provide an explanation to back up your claim? If you can answer yes to all of that, then go ahead and submit. But if not, then go back and fix your work. Once you've done that, fix your grade. Thank you so much. Not fix your grade, just go ahead and submit it. Thank you so much, and I look forward to reading your responses. Thank you. Bye.